Dear parents, we hope that you and your families are all well and managing to keep safe. As we now entering the new session, that is 2021 and 22, so on behalf of BL family, we are happy to welcome you to the new session. And in view of the recent announcements from the government, we want to tell you in order to provide you all with an update. We are looking forward to a productive partnership with you to ensure our children can achieve their highest potential. We are so delighted that you are the part of our amazing learning community, that is BL family. We welcome and value your positive energy and dedication to excellence in education. And we look forward to working with you and your children. However, we want to thank all parents for their fantastic support over the last 1 year. We particularly appreciate for everything that you have been doing to support online education. The school has also received a number of messages of thanks and support from so many of you over these past few months, and these are all received with gratefully indeed. Thank you. We would like to thank all of the teaching staff who have continued to work exceptionally hard. Now, all the students need to register themselves as Google Meet classes will start from 8th April 2021 from Thursday. We know that this time is very crucial for students, staff and parents. However, through working together so positively like the previous year, we will demonstrate the whole world. We all are waiting for a new beginning, a new ray of hope where everything gets back to normal. To begin something new is always amazing. In fact, we are always thrilled to start anything new. But let's not lose our fire this year. Let's make a pledge to oneself to start the session with zeal and fire and end the session with an accomplished goal. Dear students, follow the following guidelines. Attend the online classes daily. Go through the syllabus of all the subjects. Give yourself innovative breaks in between. Complete all the homework assignments given by the teachers. Now the guidelines for the parents. Establish a routine. Set rules for your child. Create a study space in your house for your child to learn better. Always communicate with child as well as teachers too. Always attend EPTMs. Teach your children about etiquettes. Please do remember to contact us if you need any support. The contact numbers and website are visible on the screen. In the meantime, we send our heartfelt best wishes to you and your families for a safe, happy and healthy environment. Thank you. प्रिय अभिभावकों, जैसा कि आप सभी जानते हैं कि पिछला सत्र कठिन परिस्थितियों और चुनौतियों से भरा रहा, परंतु आप सबके सहयोग और मां सरस्वती के आशीर्वाद से पिछला सत्र सफलतापूर्वक संपन्न हुआ। इसके लिए हम आपके धन्यवादी हैं। आपसे यह आग्रह किया जाता है कि 8 अप्रैल से हमारा विद्यालय फिर से गूगल मीट क्लासेस शुरू करने जा रहा है। अतः शीघ्र अतिशीघ्र अपने बच्चे का रजिस्ट्रेशन करवाएं ताकि आपका बच्चा रेमेडियल क्लासेस ज्वाइन कर सके। हम आपके स्नेह, आपके विश्वास और सहयोग के लिए हमेशा आपके आभारी रहेंगे। धन्यवाद।